Welcome to another Indeo Design Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Cash Envelopes Tracker, which is designed to help you save smarter and reach your goals faster. This sheet has 3 tabs: an Instructions tab, a Setup and Track tab, and an Envelopes tab. This tool is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and you can also find a link in the description below. Okay, let's get started. The Instructions tab provides step-by-step guidance around setting up and using your sheet. Take a moment to review this information before you begin using the spreadsheet. The tutorial section gives you access to this video as well as a link to a filled-out sheet for reference. The rest of the instructions walks you through how to use each tab and provides answers to frequently asked questions. Remember to read through everything here before beginning. The Setup and Track page is your big picture dashboard where you can see all your saving envelopes at once. Most of it updates automatically. You just need to enter a few details to get started. Step 1. Choose your currency. Simply type your currency symbol, like dollars, euros, or pounds, into the box at the top left. This updates the entire sheet so every value is shown in your currency. Next, enter your envelope details. This template allows up to 10 envelopes. For each savings category, add the name of your envelope, like Christmas, vacation, or emergency fund, your savings goal or the total you want to save, the starting amount you already have set aside, the start date when you'll begin saving, and the goal date, the deadline for reaching your target. From there, the sheet takes care of the rest. It automatically calculates your weekly and monthly contributions, as well as the amount saved for each envelope and a visual progress chart as well. And with a single click on the quick links, you can jump straight to any envelope's detail page to track deposits and withdrawals. You'll also see your totals at the top, as well as how much is left to save. A bar chart shows savings allocation across envelopes, and the donut chart shows percentage saved versus what's left to save. The Cash Envelopes tab is where you'll actually track your deposits and withdrawals for each savings envelope. All your setup details, like the name, goal, starting amount, etc., comes straight from the Setup and Track page. Step 1. Review your envelope setup. At the top of each envelope box, you'll see your savings goal, your starting amount, your current saved balance, and the percentage towards your goal. You'll also see a progress chart that shows how much you've saved versus what's left. Step 2. Record transactions. In the table, just enter the date of your transaction, the amount you add in deposits, or the amount you take out as withdrawals. Step 3. Watch your progress update automatically. As soon as you enter deposits or withdrawals, your saved balance adjusts. The donut chart and progress bar refresh, and the totals for money added and used update instantly. When you surpass your goals, you'll get a notification at the top letting you know that you've more than reached your goal. And finally, some tips for best use. Update transactions as soon as they happen so your numbers stay accurate. Use realistic categories that match your savings goals, and review your charts regularly to see which envelopes are on track. When you finish one cycle, you can reset and reuse envelopes for new goals. With just a few quick entries, the Cash Envelopes tab gives you a clear picture of how your savings are growing, one envelope at a time. If you're interested in purchasing this product, you can find the shop link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for things to cover, reach out on Etsy and let me know. If you found this video to be helpful to you, also let me know by hitting the like button. And if you want to be notified when more videos like this come out, hit subscribe. Thanks so much and have a great day.